16, 20, 21. Happy Saturday to all of our clients around the world and all of our traders that are out there. What we have is the S&P 500 on a weekly chart. We'll start with the weekly so you can see the 10-week moving average. I'm calling for a correction. Earnings season is upon us. The banks have just reported, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, BlackRock, BLK, reported a great earnings report. BLK, and I'll be going over that chart. And we'll be buyers on the dip. Stock dropped $90 in the last few days off a great earnings report. There is not a better firm on this planet in financial services than BlackRock, BLK. I'll be doing that chart next. Now, on the weekly, the 10-week moving average is right around where we tested the 10-week over here when we had a big drawdown. It bounced and it made a new high, and it did on the weekly. Now, on the monthly, let's take a look at that. All our traders around the world who rely on us and our analysis, there it is on the monthly. And we've had 6 months of what we call a monthly buy signal on the S&P, referred to as the MACD. Okay. Stochastic wise, we are right around on the monthly, we're right around, let's say on the percent K, we're right around 96. Now, when we go to the daily on the S&P 500, we can clearly see that the 10-day moving average is being tested. We dipped down and we tiptoed what? Right on that 20-day simple moving average. I'm calling for a pullback that will test 3650. If we break below it, then we'll hit my other target, and that's going to be right around 3550 on the S&P. Now, let me tell you about seasonality is that the spring usually brings great rallies, called the spring rally, summer rally, Christmas rallies. We get a few a year. You already had yours. Now, quarterly earnings are going to be front and center in the tech sector. The stocks under new President-elect Biden, there are certain stocks that do real well. We remember, just like it was yesterday, when Obama was president, he was vice president. We know all the stocks that did well under that administration. A lot of the same players are coming back in to that administration that was there before. And basically, I'm not here to say if he's good or bad president. That's not my role. The market will be the decider of that. Okay. And I'm calling for a fairly decent pullback. You have to have a good sized pullback. Every bull market does. That low volatility, kiss it goodbye. You people, the younger crowd of people have been coming in trying to trade these markets. You can get your head handed to you. We have OptionTradingRoom.com. You can avoid all hardships. Join us. Take the free trial. Watch us make the money. That you can believe. You can believe what you see. You can believe the profits. Yes, you can. And after 35 years of being in this market, we are the option market maker. We make the market in the options. Yes, we do. And you can be part of it. And you can start today. Why? Your name is on it. Come and get it. Now, what we're going to do is show you the money. We're going to show you the profits. That settles it all. No more talk. You can believe what you see. I know you go down lots of other free trials. Those people can't even trade their way out of a paper bag, let alone do it in front of your face. Let us show you the money. Let us show you the trading versus what you do. Yeah, we'll call you out on it. Watch what we do compared to what you do. That will decide everything right then and there. Not only will it decide it, you will be here immediately, I guarantee it. Because when you see that kind of money that we make in the options trading, you're going to want to be here. Oh, yes, you are. Why? Because you can believe what you see. You can believe is what you see in front of your face. Come and let us show you. I know what's out there. I know all of the retail websites and trading. They're all crap. And let me tell you, when it comes time to making money, let us do it for you. That's what we're here to do. And we're here to do it day after day, week after week, month after month. I know what you face. I know how you sit in front of your screen and look at options. And then not knowing, should I pull the trigger or not? Or when I do pull the trigger, then I lose. We can avoid that. You can avoid it with our services. But remember one thing, let us do it for you. Because as we make you the money, you'll never leave here. Who would? Who would leave when they could show you what they know how to do and making money in the market? Why would you leave? You would never leave. Why are you watching the video right now? You're watching the video because things are not going good for you, and you know it, or you wouldn't be watching the video. Now, we can change that. Do you want to change it? Ask yourself that question. If you want to change it, it doesn't cost you any money to watch us trade the market in front of your face. That you can believe. That you can bank on. That you can be proud of. That will be your greatest thing you ever did. Let us take you down that road today. OptionTradingRoom.com. Option Trading Room 2020. We have the software, we have the alerts, we have the management, we have the entries, we have the exits, we have it all. Now, do you want it? If you want it, then come and claim it. Once again, earnings season, full swing this week, full swing after the next week. Volatility comes into play. We're testing major moving averages on the 20-day on that S&P that has been rocked up in the bull run to 38 and a quarter. I'm sorry. You have to have what we always have in bull market runs. You have to shake the buyer out. That volatility is coming, believe me. Mark my words, I will keep this video link as of today, and in 5 days, 10 days, and throughout the next 3 weeks of trading with the earnings season of 2021, you're going to see that I am not wrong. And I have all of the yearly moves on this YouTube channel that you're watching. Goes back several years. Go back to 2009. That's 12 years at this market that we've been showing you that we know what we're doing. Do you know what you're doing? Obviously not, or you wouldn't be watching the video, would you? Ask yourself that question, then say to yourself, well, wow, it doesn't cost me any money to watch this guy. Let's see if he can do what he says. Let me show you today. Sign up. Free trial link is in the video there. Just sign up. Watch us. If you have a trading account and you're serious about making money, then sign up. If you're one of these people that have a $2,000 or $3,000 account, don't even waste your time. All you're doing is trying to buy illiquid, cheap options that are going to take your money. Don't even do that. You're better off coming here and letting us help you turn that $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 into something. However, what we're looking for is people that have trading accounts or investment accounts. They need management. They need risk management. We are here. And we have a lot of managers that work for me that are on standby and will assist you in every trade you do. Yeah, you'll get to spend some time with me, of course. However, eventually you will be put under one of those managers, they came here just like you are. They ended up being great. Why? Because they ended up learning how to trade options. S&P 500 is in the beginning of the correction that I'm calling for, which is a good sized pullback that sets up the volatility, sets up buying opportunities. Stocks that come down, they're all overvalued. They are. And right now, some are not, but most are. Let us show you the way. Let us take you down that road. Start today. S&P 500, more downside coming. Any gap up is a sell. Believe me, there's a correction.